So if you are new, make sure to subscribe to my channel below and hit the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram. All the links will be in the description box below. So in for today's video, I'm gonna organize my closet. As you guys can see, it's a freaking mess. हर 15-20 दिन में ये हो जाता है और my mom shouts at me to organize this because she also wears half of my clothes. So I have to do this. मैं वैसे भी अपना closet organize करने ही वाली थी, but I thought why not tell you guys how I organize my closet and give you tips here and there so you can implement in your closet too. So I'm gonna show you how my closet looks like. So so this is the wardrobe. Down section है वो ज़्यादा use नहीं किया है मैंने, so it is properly organized. But जो upper section है, these are my casuals, my jeans and track pants and everything, वो मैं रोज़ पहनती हूँ. So it is very unorganized. And here are my bags, very pretty bags. ये jeans है, ये पूरा mess है. इसमें मेरे gym clothes भी है जो मुझे नहीं मिल रहे और मैं gym में everyday एक track pant पहन के जा रही हूँ बिल्कुल. And please do not mind this, ये repair करवाना रह गया है. So my crazy ass doesn't let me do procrastination. So we should get started with this video. So I'll give you a before and after of how it looks like. This is the before. I'm gonna put a picture also because after, in which I'm gonna be very proud of myself. I did it all just by my own. So we should get started with this video. If you like this type of video, make sure you comment down below, hit the notification bell and let me know to do such type of videos in the future. And let's get started. So this is just half of it. मैंने आधे निकाले नहीं है. Wait for a while. So this is how it looks like. I'm a very मुझे कपड़े पहनना बहुत पसंद है. That's why I have a lot of collection of clothes and I don't take them out. I mean, even if they are old, I don't like to take them out because these are my babies, like I say. Get started. और इसका भी before दिखाऊंगी because there are a lot of ये रोज़ का, I mean every 15 days हो ही जाता है. So moved all the clothes. This is how plain it looks like and so good without the untidy clothes. But I'm gonna start folding clothes. मैं वो भी दिखाऊंगी how I fold my clothes properly और ज़्यादा space भी नहीं लेते because I have so many clothes. It takes a lot of space. So how I put it into section, I'm gonna show you. These I'm gonna do afterwards. So tip number 1 for you guys: always put your clothes in section. Like जो jeans का है, jeans के section में रखो. जो tops है, tops के जगह पे रखो. Tops में you have to do 2 sections. One where you only wear casuals and one when you go out you wear those tops. So I'm gonna start folding now. Number 2, keep your clothes as you know, in the sense आपको पता होना चाहिए आपके कपड़े किधर है. अदरवाइज इट्स गोना बी अ मेस एंड इट्स गोना बी अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड अगेन. जैसे मेरे साथ होता था, मुझे आधे कपड़े पता नहीं थे किधर थे बिकॉज इट्स अ मेस. मैं जीन्स के जगह पे आई यूज टू कीप माई टॉप्स एंड तभी भी अगर रात को इफ आई डू इट प्रॉपरली ऑल्सो, सुबह वही हो जाता है प्रॉपरली. आई मीन नहीं होता है. My clothes I wasn't wearing for the last 10 days क्योंकि मुझे मिल ही नहीं रहे थे किधर थे कबर्ड में. So ये ऐसे करना है. You have to fold this like ज़्यादा फोल्ड नहीं करना है, अदरवाइज योर क्लोथ्स आर गोना गेट क्रम्बल और आपको मिलेंगे नहीं, सारे कपड़े के साथ मिक्स हो जाएंगे. सो दिस इज़ ऑल लाइक ये दिस इज हाफ ऑफ माई ट्राउजर्स एंड ट्रैक पैंट्स. तो ऐसे करना है. ऑलवेज पुट इन टू सेक्शन. इट्स वेरी organized. So I'm cleaning out my closet. I'm not only organizing it but also I'm cleaning because जो old clothes है I'm gonna take them out. I'm not gonna keep it myself with very heavy heart. मैं बोल रही हूँ, मुझे कपड़े निकालना बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद और मैं वो आज करने वाली हूँ. Always turn your clothes like upside down. वो properly होने चाहिए. Otherwise अगर जब भी पहनने होंगे तभी बहुत ही टाइम जाएगा. मतलब upside down already होगा तो it's very easy for you to wear it. Also I've seen many people organizing their closet in कलर कोऑर्डिनेशन, लाइक जो वाइट है वाइट में ही रखना है, जो पिंक है पिंक के उसमें सारे टॉप्स ट्राउजर्स होने चाहिए. बट आई फील इफ़ वी डू दैट tops and trousers, jeans, everything's gonna get mixed up and overall the closet is gonna look good, but when you go to find your clothes you will not find it where it is exactly. So I wouldn't suggest you to do color coordinated. It's proper that you do jeans की जगह पे jeans, when you put the tops you have all the tops. In that also I do two section, one which I have to wear at the night, one in the day, and one when I go out, like जो blingy crop tops वगैरह sleeveless होते हैं which I wear out, so that will be in a different section altogether. And also one more tip, like third या fourth tip I don't remember, always put your clothes one by one. I mean if you want to put it like lay down, do that also, but एक के ऊपर एक रखेंगे, but also make sure कि वो जो stack है वो ज़्यादा बड़ा ना हो, otherwise it will fall off and all your organization will go in vain. So make sure that your height is this much only, don't do too much. I'm going to show you when I do mine. Make sure that your cord sets, which I'm going to show you right now, is in one section. I do not have many cord sets, but jo bhi hai I put it in one section. Otherwise the trousers you'll get in different corner, the top you'll get in different corner, so make sure you put that together. So one advantage of sectioning your clothes item, I mean according to jeans, trousers, top, कि आपको जब भी बाहर जाना होगा you have to see only in that section and not in other section. Like at the night time when you have to wear your loungewear, you have to just look into that section and other section you have to touch it. इससे क्या होगा that your other clothes pieces will be in organized. I'm almost done. This almost like थोड़े ही बाकी है. It's like almost done. The next is this trousers, tracks, pants and everything, and ऊपर jeans वगैरह सब है. My bag and my chain also. So I'm gonna start explaining कैसे किधर मैंने रखा है. I told you section wise, तो वो भी दिखा रही हूँ. So tip number 5, always keep your jeans which you do not wear in the upper section, so that जब भी आप जो jeans पहनते हो वो आपको ना मिले. You don't have to search for in this one, you directly have to go for this section. Okay, so as you guys can see over here, wait, you guys are not able to see, जो इधर का पूरा section है, this one is for my gym section. Now what happens when I go to my gym, I only wear a particular type of gym wear. You know, jeans, gym के अलग कपड़े होते हैं. So when I have to go to the gym, I only choose this section. From this section मैं इसको touch नहीं करूँगी. So by this what happens, your closet will not get messy. Now coming to the other section, मैं आपको अच्छे से दिखाऊंगी. This one is for my trousers which I wear for every day. जो ऊपर है वो night dress, that's a lounge wear night dress kind of a track pant है. ऐसे नीचे जाके these are the clothes which I don't wear much often, which I wear but like once a week or something. तो वैसे I have sectioned it like 1 2 3 4 वैसे करके. जो नीचे का है I do not wear again. So I'll keep this again. जो now this section है, I'm gonna take you close, just a second. This section are for my tops. Now what happens that the top which I do not wear is usually I do not keep it, or if I keep it, it's in the bottom section. So by this what happens, the clothes that you wear much often जो ऊपर ही रखे होंगे, you just have to take it out and wear it easily. The another section is again for my tops. This section is for my clothes which I wear when I do not go out, and here section I have kept clothes which I go out. Now coming to the upper section, it is properly done. I'm going to show you guys. This took me at least an hour to do this. Okay, so there are hangers hanged over here. These are the pants जो मैं नहीं पहनती हूँ ज़्यादा. So starting from this. So what I have done, when you don't have hangers much, and when you don't have much space also to hang all of your jeans, what I do, I just take one hanger and put two of them. By this what happens, आपके कपड़े भी रह जाएंगे और you don't have to take much space also. So I have done this properly, as you guys can see. सबके लिए मैंने ऐसे किया. As I told you, I have many clothes, so मुझे एक उसमें करने के लिए बहुत. And see this one also. So tip number 6, always keep your, like, hanger में अगर 2 रख सकते हो तो 2 रखो. When you have to take a particular type of jeans or trouser, आप तो वो निकाल के सीधा पहन ही सकते हो. And I'm gonna take you guys through the bottom section. जो ये सेक्शन अब ओपन भी नहीं हो रहा है. ओके, सो ये सेक्शन है. इस सारे मेरे अंडरवेयर्स, ब्रास वगैरह सब इधर रखे हैं, विच आई डू नॉट लाइक folded properly. It's messy, so I do not fold them. You organizers also with me. I'll put the link in description box below, which I've used for my below section. So go check that out. If you like it, buy them. It is very helpful. Like, you have different organized for underwears, for your innerwears and everything. Okay, that's it for my video, guys. Hope you guys like my video, and if the tips were helpful, comment down below which part of my closet did you like. I absolutely love the upper section of my closet. Now if this video gets longer, edit करने में बहुत time लगेगा. That's why I'm not doing the below section of my wardrobe, but I'll definitely do one day if it gets messy, because I do not wear so much clothes, so it doesn't get that messy easily. So yeah, hope you guys like the video. Comment down below your favorite tip which I told you, and if you implement this in your closet, do let me know. Share it with your family and friends, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.